G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dan here from Tropical Zooms. Today I wanted to show you how you clean out your filters on a Dometic rooftop caravan or motorhome or campervan air conditioning unit. Now the only tool you'll really need is this little flathead screwdriver. Now forgive me because I'm doing this one-handed. If you look at the top of the air conditioner, you'll see up here a little tab, and you may have to pull it down by hand. And you'll see this little flat piece here. You just get your little screwdriver and pull him out. Now before you pull him all the way out, just one little trick that I've learned is to get a permanent marking pen and just make a little mark either side of the filter before you pull it all the way out. This way you'll have it it'll be so much easier when you slide the air conditioning unit filter back in. Now, if you're like me, sometimes there's obstacles in the way. I've got a smoke alarm here that just unscrews off the wall. I'll put that down, and now that I've got that lip out, I can just slowly slide this little filter out by hand. As I said, I've got these two little indicator marks, so it's going to be so much easier to put the filter back in. So basically, now I did this yesterday, and I thought it's a good thing to share with people. If you're doing this quite often, you go outside and brush both sides of the filter over with your little dustpan brush. But if it's a bit stubborn, and mine had been a little while since I'd done it, I just ran some cool water under a tap and got a little scrubbing brush and just gently scrubbed each side with my scrubbing brush. Okay, then I waved it around, let it dry. Now the most important thing is you can easily make a mistake and put these in upside down. As you see, there's the tab where I put the screwdriver, and if you look on the other side, it's blank, so you don't want to put it back in with this side upside down. So you have to turn it over. Remember, bear with me, I've got one hand on the camera. You've got to have it so that this little tab has the screwdriver fitting facing down. Again, I line it up with my two little tabs from the texture that I made. I may have to just pull this down slightly, only about a mil or so, just to allow that filter to easily slip back in. So bear with me for a minute. It's hard with the camera in one hand. Yes, I pulled the air conditioning unit down just about a mil, line this up, and it should just slip. Make sure you're pushing it back nice and evenly, and you'll feel it just click back into place, and there he is up there ready for the next time. Alrighty, even with those little texture lines and a GoPro in my mouth I still found it a little bit fiddly getting back in, but these little guidelines that we've just made certainly make it a lot easier. Don't forget when you finish that to put, if you're like me and you've got a smoke alarm in the way, line the smoke alarm up and just fit him back on. I can see with the smoke alarm there's three little lugs and a special lip there, three little lugs and a special lip there. You've just got to line him up beforehand, and there we go. Now the air conditioning unit has the same little catch on the other side there. You can see that I just had to push the top of the air conditioning unit in just to expose that little lip there. And now with my little screwdriver, make sure you don't press too hard because you don't want to scratch the roof. Just pull him out, and it's the same process again. I'm not going to pull him out because, as you saw, I've got the GoPro in one hand. I just wanted to show you that it was exactly the same on the other side. So he pulls straight out. I will do it. He pulls straight out. There he is there. And it's the same process. You pull him out and you brush either side and then slip it back in just try and push him back in nice and evenly, even if you get two fingers like this, and just gently tap him all the way back in until you see this little lug disappear back behind the unit. Now, you can either use a torch if you can't see by eye, and you can run your camera along there, or I can run my camera along there and show you that it's nice and clear up there. And it certainly does make a difference. If your air conditioner's been a bit filthy, I noticed yesterday mine was a bit gunked up, and I didn't realise how much it was struggling until I cleaned these filters out and put it back on again, and I had a really nice strong airflow coming through the vents. I had it on cool, 22 degrees, and it was working a lot better. It was cooling the place down a lot more efficiently. Alrighty, so if you like this video, please consider giving it a like. It'd really help my little channel along. Leave a comment, any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and feel free to share with others with the same air conditioning unit in their vans. Alright, thanks for watching, have a great day.